Hi there friends. After our video on how a pregnancy test kit works, we are here to give you information on things to consider when using this kit. The first thing is about the timing. For accurate results, you should take the test after you miss your period, as the HCG hormone levels are typically detectable by this time. Testing too early can result in a false negative if the HCG levels are too low to be detected. Accuracy: most home pregnancy tests are highly accurate when used correctly. However, factors such as improper use, expired test kits, or certain medications or medical conditions can potentially affect the accuracy of the results. Faint lines: sometimes the line seems faint or weak. This is considered an inconclusive test. Confirmation of the test: while home pregnancy tests are reliable for detecting pregnancy, your doctor should confirm pregnancy through blood tests and ultrasound examinations. We hope this was helpful. Follow Healthy Info for more information like this, and comment below to let us know what you want us to include in our next video.